Here at Ape Canyon Outfitters, we carry a 3, 2, and a 1-step aider. Okay, all with 7-inch wide steps. You have a chafe guard right here. Okay, you have a stiffener that keeps it open right at 7 inches. It's all constructed with CNC machine stitching and 1-inch tubular webbing rated at 4,000 pounds. So let's break over here to this stick and show you how to install it. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this loop with the chafe guard and you're gonna put it over your stick. And then if you have to, you can roll up this little rubber grommet that will help keep it in place. This one already sits fairly snug. Then you'll come to the other side, put it on like that. All right, make sure they're worked in there really, really good. And there you go. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And if you're thinking about where you need to hang the first step on your aider, a good rule of thumb is usually by your knee. That way you can raise up and get on top of that first one fairly easy without having to dig all the way up and come up like that. For short people like me, barely 5'9", I have it a little bit lower. I set it, go to the next one, and then after that, I have them just below my knee level. All right, guys, there you have it. If you got any questions, feel free to email us at jp@apecanyon.com, and you can go to our site and find all the aiders and everything else you need for saddle hunting at apecanyon.com. See you in the next one.